Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. After extreme sell-off, the price line of Shiba Inu has broken down very important support levels. And in today's video, we will try to analyze what the price line needs to do in order to recover the damages. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, I would like to recall this pattern that I shared with you on 11th of October when the price line broke out a very big symmetrical triangle, and I shared the targets accordingly. You can see that the first target was 0.00003530, and the final target was 5370. And I defined this support line because here we had a very strong support. Therefore, I told my members to set their stop loss below this line. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line tested this support here but did not break it down and rallied very well. That was a really very huge rally up to 0.00008854. And during this move, the price line also broke out a very strong key resistance line that was an uptrend line resistance. You can see here it was rejected here in the month of September 2021. Then again we had several rejections here on the daily time frame from 6th of October up till 11th of October. Then we had another rejection here on 24th of October, and finally the price line broke out this resistance here on 26th of October. But here the price line found this downtrend line resistance and could not break it out, and rejected by this resistance again and again, and finally broke down the previous support of this previous channel, and now it is re-entered in the previous channel. Now if I switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then I want to show you these three major support levels here. The first support we have at 4390, then we have the next support at 3462, and at 3020, approximately at 30. You can see that this support, you can see the first support, the price line is topped at the first support, and previously it was working here as a resistance, and after breaking out, the price line almost retested the previous resistance as a support and rallied well up to this resistance level, again rejected, and now it is again testing this support. And if you're following my analysis on Shiba Inu, my videos on Shiba Inu, then you may remember that I have been telling you that once the price line will break out this resistance, it can work as a support, and after breaking down, it can work as a resistance. Right now you can see that the price line is testing this previous support as a resistance. Now it has again turned into the resistance, like previously it was working as a resistance. You can see exactly at that level the price line is topped. Previously it was topped here at the support level. This is the same support level I am talking about, and right now the price line is stuck at this resistance level of the previous channel. And this is a very important movement for the price line make or break time. If the price line will be able to break it out, then the next level will be this resistance. You can see that the price line is not able to break it out since after 27th of October. We have several rejections on the 4-hourly time frame and even on the daily time frame as well. So we need to break out this level, this previous resistance of the channel. That will be a really very big achievement. If the price line will be able to break it out, there will be a high probability to break out the next resistance of this downtrend line. And the final entry, I would suggest you, if you're not in Shiba Inu, you did not buy the Shiba Inu, or you have sold it out after breaking down the support, then you can buy once the price line will be able to break out this resistance, this downtrend line resistance. That will be the final entry for the Shiba Inu. But there is a very big bearish divergence on the daily time frame, and I've been telling you about this bearish divergence in my previous videos, and I was telling you that even though we are having very powerful bullish rally, but this RSI is not able to form higher than previous highs. For example, we had this high here. First we had this high here. Yes, the RSI formed the next high here, but when the price line formed this high, the the RSI is so far not able to form higher than previous high. You can see the value, you can watch the value of the RSI here. When I will place my mouse here, you can see that the value is 93.89, and here the value of the RSI is 91.66. that is lower than previous one. So that was the a very big bearish divergence on the daily time frame, and the price line finally followed this bearish divergence. Now, to summarize all this analysis, I would again repeat that the price line needs to do two steps in order to recover the damages. First, the price line needs to break it out, this resistance of the up channel, and then the resistance of this downtrend line. If the price line will be rejected, then we can expect another bearish move. Maybe the price line will test this support here. For example, if the price line will test the support of this previous channel here, that will be approximately at 0.00412242. And I am also expecting that once the price line will break out this level, this resistance of downtrend line, then in order to continue the rally, the RSI should also form higher than previous high. So this was the analysis for today about Shiba Inu. If you like the analysis, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.